In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Wi-Fi repeater step by step to extend your network and improve your signal strength. First, take a look at your Wi-Fi repeater and locate the IP address printed on it. You'll need this to access the setup page. Next, plug the repeater into a wall socket and power it on. Now, go to your computer, click on the Wi-Fi icon. Find your repeater's name and connect to it. Once connected, open your web browser, type the IP address into the address bar, and press enter. You'll now see the setup interface. Select Repeater Mode. The repeater will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. You'll also see the signal strength of each network. Select your main Wi-Fi network. Enter the password. Then type a name for your extended Wi-Fi network. After that, the repeater will reboot. Wait for a few seconds. Now, turn your Wi-Fi off and back on to refresh the network list. Find your new Wi-Fi name and connect to it, using the same password as your main network. If you want to make changes, open your browser again and go back into the repeater settings. From there, go to Wi-Fi settings, where you can change the network name or password. And that's it. You have successfully set up your Wi-Fi repeater. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.